Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the sum of the series in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the sum of geometric progressions. So if we look carefully, this is about a number 1. Or we can write that's about the first term in here. So we have 1 over 5. Now the next one, that's about a number 2. A number 2 equals to a number 1 multiplied by r. So we need to find the common ratio. So we have a 2, that's about this one, equals to a 1, that's about 1 over 5. And now we can find about common ratio in here. So we divide both sides by 1 over 5. And we have r equal to 1 over 5. And now we use the formula in here. This is about the sum equals to a number 1 over 1 minus r. So a1 that's about 1 over 5. R that's about this one. So we calculate about this one. And we have 1 over 4. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.